Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu Channel. This is 师傅 JJ. Today video 的形意拳。Fast like wind, sharp like arrow. This is 形意拳。
Xingyi Quan is all about direct attack and instant defense. No flashy movement. The body step and fist move as one. Attack hides inside defense. Defense turns into attack. One explosive step. And the power goes straight through the opponent. Xingyi Quan may look simple, but once you really train it, you realize how dangerous it can be. The foundation of Xingyi is its footwork. If your stance isn't solid, your power has no root. Its explosive force comes from the waist. The movement flows like a dragon, constantly changing angles and direction, making it hard for your opponent to read where the next attack is coming from.
Easy if you understand the intention. Your hand from top go down, a left hand on the shoulder, and then you push. You know the 罗汉撞钟. Second one, can you do left and right? Now you put the right hand and left hand. 关拳. Number 3, can you do cross your hand, step your right hand. Number 4, can you make a circle and you punch straight, kick from floor. Alright my friend, so that's all for today. Let me know what part you like the most, and also let me know what you want to learn in the next video. So I love you all. I see you in next video. Peace.